You be nice to the neighbors today, alright? Alright? Ah, you bitch!
Hello, Alwin here again. Welcome to Route 77 Sdn Bhd. Today we're in PJ and right in front of me, I have the 50th anniversary Bassani exhaust. So what the hell are we going to do today? We're waiting for Bud to come back from pickup to begin our project. But first, let's do the unboxing inside. Let's go. Let's begin the unboxing. So one thing about Bassani exhaust, they wrapped it in foam as well. So you can see that it's quite packed here. So all we do is just stick it out. Yep. So don't worry about safety. Because it's all good. Right, come closer. Okay, what we have here is the muffler tip. Okay. Unpacking this in a short while. Of course, the most exciting things inside a Bassani packing is actually the free stickers that we can stick on our laptops. Okay? So where do we begin? Brackets. More brackets and screws. Stickers. The thank you card. Look at that. Right? So it says it serves as a warranty card as well, so anything that happens, you can just register it online. Right? Let's go ahead. So highlight what we have here. Look, it's the Bassani 50th anniversary edition. So it comes in this special clip right here. So this is the muffler tip that we are going to install in today's Low Rider S. Right? Not forgetting as well the headers. There you have it. So actually there's a lot of parts that is detachable. So yeah, there we have it, the headers. And as well as the muffler tip. Alright, so we'll wait for Bud to return from the pickup and we'll start our project very soon. See you around. Stay tuned. So Bud has arrived. With our project today. Yep, the 2021 Low Rider S. Let's get it unloaded. Hi. Hi, Bud.
Hi. Good morning.
Morning. Let's do this. It's not easy to use one hand. There you go. Yeah. Right, bud? Let it down. What are your thoughts?
Orang-orang yang bukan selalu lah, orang-orang yang main Harley panggil ni bunyi mesin jahit. Diorang selalu sakat member-member. Diorang suka sakat member yang beli motor baru, tak tukar exhaust lagi. Macam tengah-tengah lepak, dia tiba dah sampai, bila kau sampai? So inilah bunyi mesin jahit.
Alright, let's turn this from a sewing machine to a mean machine. Alright, stay tuned. So what Bud said earlier, this bike doesn't sound mean enough. It sounds like a sewing machine. That's what he's saying, mesin jahit. So now we are heading into the workshop to make this a mean machine. Alright, let's go. When monkey sees something nice, he likes it. Monkey.
I'm not sure how many of these are made, but maybe later we're gonna find out. And yeah, it's not much left. In drag specialties only, this is the last three. I bought the last three, so got two left in drag specialties. I don't know whether there's still any available stock other than drag specialties. Yeah, but I'm excited. I'm excited. See, we got this. Thank you note from Bassani.
Yep, I did the unboxing also. So
Yeah.
I'm more excited about this, but
Oh yes. I hope they give us more. But I'm sure Upon gonna love this also. So
hey, we shouldn't tell him this lah. So it's one for you, one for me. Oh, there's another monkey behind. Okay, so
yeah. So this is the boran ikan.
alright.
Yeah.
Let's start. Come, who's gonna carry? Who's gonna carry? Me. Mia. What the hell? Come on lah.
Forgive my hair. It's my good hair day.
Oh, it's a good hair day, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, it's alright.
Yes. Hair day.
What to do? Lockdown? Barber not around?
Yeah.
Oh well. So first things first, we gotta get the things sorted, cleaned up to avoid any grease on the workbench. So no accidents will happen. And Bud is still fixing up his hair as well.
Yeah.
monkey.
Oi. Yeah,
What are we doing?
I'm reading.
Serious?
It's a good practice is whatever you do before you start anything, you just go through the installation manual and yeah, because inside this, they tell you everything, what's inside the box, what tools you're gonna need, and then yeah, what is in the box so you can make sure everything is here before you start anything. And then just yeah, I've done this many times, but yeah, I still love to just go through at least so you're not gonna waste your time in terms of if you do the step wrong. Sometimes you need to take out back whatever you have fixed to the bike just because you forgot to install something, and then it's gonna cost you time and energy.
Alright. Just now I saw you took out another sticker, right? Hey, don't lah, share lah. Look at it. What's interesting, you get a lot of stickers, right?
Yeah. This one is quite common, but the 50th anniversary that is not common.
Not common, huh?
Itu boleh buat gaduh, bro.
Oh, okay, alright. Okay. This is for the owner. The ones outside there is for me.
No, it's for the owner also.
No.
Wait, why you still here?
Wah, sudah siap ah?
Nearly. Yeah. So yeah, normally after we do all the installation, we got all our thumbprint on the exhaust. So before you start the engine and let the exhaust become hot, you should just swipe everything first. And then yeah, I think we're gonna do a heat cycle. Just a way to warm up the exhaust so you can get the nice color. Yeah, we're gonna do it later after this.
But first, wipe it down. Then what's next? We go for lunch, right?
Makan apa?
Makan dulu, huh? Okay, alright, can. Happy wiping, brah.
So Bud does all the hard work, but I do all the easy.
You do what?
I'll do all the easy jobs like wiping, and cleaning. See all Bud's fingerprints, all here is monkey fingerprints. Cannot lah. How you present the bike to people later, even on the heat shield, very important to remove everything. all the fingerprints. Otherwise, when you start the bike up, it gets hot, then your fingerprints will be permanently over there on the exhaust pipe. So this is a very good tip for all of you that are installing it yourself. Just make sure you clean your pipes right after installation. That's it.
I like the choice of the color of the.
Yeah, man, it's pink, man. Of all colors, you have to give me pink.
Damn.
Oh well. Alright, so we're done with the installation of this Bassani exhaust, the 50th anniversary on the Low Rider S today. Before we actually get it on and out of the road, it's very important for the first startup that we actually do a heat cycle. This is actually important, especially when your exhaust is of stainless steel and also polished stainless material. So this will actually, heat cycle will actually determine the color of your exhaust later. So without further ado, let's do it. Done with the first heat cycle. So we got the temperature is about idling. As you can see, slowly the color has changed a little bit. So now what we're going to do is we're going to wait for the first cycle to completely cool down. Then we'll do it another time, and then we're about done. That's it for the exhaust heat cycle. So it's very important. So you must always take note. Alright?
Peace out.
Alright, we are done with the exhaust installation today, Bassani 50th Anniversary Edition on the Low Rider S. So we're not really done yet. It's time for the bike to go for a wash before we hand it over back to the owner. Right, see you. Come here.
No, I don't want.
Come on. So we said we need to wash the bike, right? So but who's gonna wash?
I got no energy already to wash.
Okay. Still. 1, 2, 3. Yes. Yes. Alright, there you have it. So we are done with the installation of the Bassani 50th anniversary exhaust pipes on the Low Rider S. And till the next video, goodbye. See you, take care. Alright, there you have it. Today's installation of the Bassani 50th, sorry again. 30th.